In order to find and manage sound settings on the Xiaomi 17, first of all we need to open settings and then scroll down a little bit in order to find sound and vibration. And this is where you can manage sound settings. We can choose the notification sound, the ringtone sound, and also the default alarm. Here we can adjust the volume level for media, ringtone, and alarm. And also additionally we can include notifications in here. This is actually hidden by default, and once again by default the notification volume level is adjusted with the ringtone volume level, so these two options are joined together. But we can separate it. I'm gonna show you in a second how to do that. Then we have sound options where we can toggle the silent mode. We can also silence media in silent mode, and we have the D&D mode over here with all the necessary settings. We have some vibration options in addition to that, where we can toggle vibrations for calling. We have a vibrate in silent mode, so you can decide if your phone should be able to vibrate in the silent mode or not. We have the haptic feedback, so you can decide if, for example, touch vibration should be a thing or not on your phone. And then in sound effects, we can choose between a Dolby Atmos and Xiaomi sound. We have the graphic equalizer or sound EQ. There is also the immersive sound option, which apparently allows us to experience immersion and sense of space when audio is played. I'm not sure if that's really the case, but apparently it is. And we also have some earphone controls options. Then in additional settings, we can find this option, control notification sounds, and this is the one that you need to enable if you want to separate ringtone and notifications. I mean the volume of these things. We can also adjust media sound in multiple apps, so we can adjust sound for individual apps while multiple apps play audio simultaneously. And we also have multiple audio sources, so we cannot adjust media volume during incoming notifications or while audio from other sources played if this option is enabled. And we have the section for system sounds, of course. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.